Hello everyone, Archana here. Welcome back to my channel. Even though summer is starting to wind down, there is still plenty of sunshine left to enjoy, right? So before we welcome all the beautiful fall projects, I want to share one more fun and cheerful creation with you. This is the summer kit I just wanted to introduce today. This album is filled with bright colors, fun patterns, interactive pages, and lots of space to preserve your favorite summer memories. So let's dig into this kit, and this kit is by 49 and Market. It is already pre-made kit, and I will show you what's inside. It's a very beautiful colorful kit, and this box is very pretty. You can see coordinated. So inside we can see all the instruction guide page. On first page you can see how to create this spine hinges. So this album is inside and we need to create a spine. So they already gave you a scored spine, I guess. Let's see inside, we will see together. And when you open this, you can see all these pages, patterns with layouts they have created for us. So you can see here is a page first, and these are step by step images. So you can see, if you get this basic page, then you have all these pre-cut things in this kit. So you gather all these things together and then you can create this page, and however you want to create. If you are not a beginner, you can create like whatever you want, but it is really good for beginner how to create your beautiful page using this guide. And all these pages are here till page 12. So 12 pages we are going to create in this kit. And then in this album you can see, wow, it's very pretty color. So let's see. So you can see this very strong chipboard piece album, very beautiful. You can see all these colors. Love this pattern, and this color is so nice, sunshine color. And what's in there? These are lots of pieces you are going to use on each and every page, and this is the very nice tape here. And I'll show you what's in there. All the pages we'll see together. Most of the pages are already pre-cut images there. You can see all the laser cutting here. So you just need to take them out and put it on your pages. You only need your favorite glue, that's it. You don't need to have your cutting board nearby or any kind of supplies. Only glue is fine. You can see all these pages are so beautiful and they are already pre-cut, very intricate. And all these, see, all these sentiments or sayings also pre-cut, very neat, right? And all these summer images, so pretty and so bright color. You can see this net. See, I can't wait to create a beautiful album using all these images. They are so easy and it seems so much fun. Look at these, all the tabs and flowers, and I like they gave a lot of sentiments and they are pre-cut. I love using sentiments on my pages. You can see this thing, very cute. Oh wow, so pretty. And see, at the end you can use it at the end of your album. Look at this. Oh, love this lighthouse and orchids and palm trees, everything is here. And then this is the hinges page. You can see all these are already scored. You only need to fold it and that's it. So you can before you use these hinges actual on your album, I would suggest you can create a few more patterns using the same thing. you just code along with this on your own different cardstock, and you can just keep them ready for your album. And then I have all these pattern papers in there. So these are the background papers. They are pretty much in a light color, you can see, since all these bright cutouts goes on these papers, so they should be light color. So you can see all these says waves and enjoy and beach vibes. Very pretty, and these papers are very thick, very thick papers. So they are 12 papers together, and then they have these, and it has these solid color papers. Not solid, it has some pattern, you can see, but they are very bright colored. So 2 of each. So these two, this yellow is so pretty, beautiful yellow, and back side is like that. So these are 2, and then this green, very pretty color, and this, they have some kind of pattern, you can see. I don't think I can catch, but you can see they are not plain solid papers for sure. And then these 2 pink, very nice color, right? So these are very nice bright color papers, and these pre-cut set, which I love it. I just love this one. These are here, and these pre-cut pattern papers are here in several shapes, so you can use it as per the guide. And this washi tape is here, and again the album and the guide. So this kit is listed on my website, and please visit as soon as possible. Link is in the description box below, and thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.